homework is going to be a math minute. So what you need to do this week is at the top of your page, it's going to say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? If Wednesday you can't, it's okay to do Thursdays, Wednesdays, and so on. It just means that you're going to have homework on the weekend. Okay? So 5 nights you're going to be spending a few minutes on some math. Math minutes work like this. First, you're going to find yourself a quiet space to work somewhere in your house, and you're going to grab yourself a timer. And I'm going to do a math minute with you right now so you can see exactly what I want you to do. So you're going to take your sheet, and you're going to start doing your math. You set your timer. So my minute has started. So I'm adding the first question, and I'm writing my answer. Then I'm going on to the second question, and I'm working in order. I'm taking my time so that you guys kind of get a sense of how this would work. Okay? I was doing this in class earlier, so this part is review. Okay? Now I'm going to make some intentional mistakes. Alright, so my timer's done. I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw a double line there to show where I finished. Notice that I didn't skip any questions, I just worked my way through. Okay? Now that I'm done, I'm going to finish the last of my questions. Now I'm going to check my work. So either you can ask a parent to work with you through these, you can do a second strategy, you can use a calculator, you're going to check them. Yes, it's okay now that I'm done to use a calculator. So I'm going to go through my calculator. Yes, this one's right, this one's right, this one's right, this one's right. Yeah. And I got to this one and it's wrong. Okay? So to tabulate my score, they're in rows of 10. So I know that I got my top row was correct. I got to there. So in total I got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 questions right. So my score goes up there of 14. Okay? In a minute. Now I need to finish up all 20 questions. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to go through, and I'm going to do the rest of the questions on my sheet. Okay? And I'm done. That's my homework for the night. Okay? So I've done my 1 minute as far as I've gotten, drawn a double line, I've checked my answers, put my score at the top, and I finished the page for that day. You can only do 1 block a day. The goal here is that you're getting repeated practice over a series of days. So it's not meant to be Sunday night I sit down and I do all of them at once. Okay? It's that Monday night I do one, Tuesday night I do some, Wednesday night, can't do Thursday, so I'm going to skip and do Friday and then Saturday. To keep you on track, I have put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on the sheets, but if you need to change that because on one particular night you can't, you can spread it out to the next night. Okay? Oren.
Do you fix your mistakes?
After you're done, yes, go back and fix up any mistakes that you have. Caitlin?
What if you are done before the timer goes?
Great. Give yourself a score out of 20. Maybe to go back and cross-check to make sure you haven't made any errors. Because if it's within that minute, you can do that. Yes?
Say you could do Wednesday's night homework, so would you want to do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday?
Yeah. So just skip on to the next half page.
Okay, so you would go back and do Wednesday.
Yes, you have to have all 5 of them done, although you might not do them on the night that's labeled at the top of the page. Okay? Yeah, Tyler.
I can't do it on Tuesday, Saturday,
So
or Sunday.
You're going to have to find a few minutes at some point, and if that means that you need to do it before you catch your bus, doesn't make a difference to me when you do it. And we do have homework club on your sheet, it'll say, on your slip of paper. Sorry, Jocelyn?
October 20th.
October 20th, so you've got homework club on that day, so that'll take care of one night for you. Ella?
Okay, so if you can't do it on Wednesday night,
Yes.
can you do it on Thursday
Yes,
night
you need to-
and Thursday? Can you do Thursday math minutes and Wednesday math minutes?
No, you want to do 1 math minute a day. So the goal is that we're creating a routine here. They're not long, because they're going to take a minute, and hopefully you'll get most of them done. I only gave 20 questions. So there's not a full page, but that we're getting in the habit of doing a little bit of math every day to kind of set that routine.
Okay, so we just do like the Wednesday one on the next day, like on if it ends on Sunday, you can do the Wednesday one on
Yes.
Saturday.
As long as you're doing 1 a day, it doesn't even matter what order you do them in. Okay? Cool?
So if you make a mistake,
Yep.
so do you go back and keep the circle there? Like, how are you gonna know that we got some of them wrong? You could just think that we got them all right and we had no problem.
Oh, because you're going to hand them into the hand-in bucket and I'll check them.
Yeah, but how will you know that we erased it and changed it?
I'm not going to know, but there's benefit too in the fact that you're going back and making those corrections. Okay, Marissa?
If you did all of them in 1 minute,
Yep.
and say like you got 2 wrong, would your score be 18?
Yes. So if you get them all done, use that time to go back and cross-check them to make sure that you're getting 20 out of 20. Okay, Jocelyn?
To do it, so I'll just do mine Thursday one on Wednesday.
No, you do it. You push it back a day. You only ever want to do 1 a day. It means that on Saturday or Sunday, you're going to have a page to do. And again, we're only talking a minute. Right? Okay. Dana?
People could be using a calculator.
So right now, I'm videotaping this for your parents, so they know that you're supposed to be doing this yourself without a calculator the first time. When you're checking, you can use a calculator. But when you're doing it for the first time, you need to be doing it.
Or
Dana?
they could you could set the timer and then when it goes off you could keep on going.
I'm going to trust you. So I trust you, and I trust you, and you, and you. So
Why do it wrong?
believe it or not, yes, absolutely, I trust you. All right, Paige?
If someone's doing it and they've finished it and they've checked it on something and the minute's still not over, could they just stop?
Well, you're going to draw your line here and hope that when you've checked it with the calculator at the end of it all, that you're getting a score of 20. And you might, and that's okay too. It's not bad practice to be getting through those questions in a minute. Okay? But I want us to start to get fairly quick. We're doing this in our jump math with the regrouping and that type of thing. This is only 2 digits. We're going to 4. Okay? And then 5. All right. We're good.